Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. Last year's Asus ROG Phone was a luxury, high-end gaming phone that really set the bar for the competition. And now it's time for a successor, the ROG Phone II. It's just arrived, so let's check it out. Forget last year's model, now it's all about ROG number 2. Just remember that most, if not all of these accessories will have to be purchased separately from the phone. Let's start off with this box, which holds the phone itself. It's pretty unique. It reminds me of the shaving cream from Jurassic Park. Remember that? Let's take the phone out. No, it's a little stuck. Never mind that for now. Here we have a plastic case with some holes in it. It's the ROG Aero case, and it should allow for some better cooling. Some paperwork, and a SIM ejector tool. There's a 30-watt USB-C charger that comes in the box, which should be quite fast. And here's that USB-C cable. Next we have some little plastic nibs. I think they're for protecting the phone's ports. Okay, back to the phone. Let's get this thing out. There's a pull tab here, but it seems to be on the wrong side. Frustrating. Oh wow, well we have something else here that came out. It's the Aero active cooling fan that should fight thermal throttling. This should do the trick. Looking at the phone, it's really quite similar to last year's design, though it is larger. Nice. Put that off to the side, and now on to the next package. It holds a snazzy looking plastic case that says Republic of Gamers on it. Alright. Next, we have the first of the dock accessories. This one is the mobile desktop dock, which has ports that allow you to hook the phone up to a monitor, mouse, and keyboard. There are a bunch of ports on here. There's USB-C, LAN, some others. It's all pretty impressive. The next dock we have is the WGIG display dock. Through this, you can connect the phone wirelessly to a monitor using 60Hz Wi-Fi and play on the big screen. Alrighty, onto the last dock. It's the Twin View Dock 2. It comes in its own nice case. This is interesting. With its clamshell shape, the Twin View allows you to have a second screen for your phone, almost like a Nintendo DS. Now we've gotten to the accessory most people may want to get, the Kunai Gamepad. With this, you can say goodbye to touch controls for your games. First up, we have the joysticks, and the controller hub which you can attach them to. Used like this, it's basically a console controller. But underneath, we have the gamepad shell, which the joysticks can also snap onto. Just pop in the phone, and it all resembles a Nintendo Switch, a much more mobile setup. And finally, we have a Republic of Gamers bag to hold your peripherals, a handy option if you don't want to worry about the luggage. So there you have it guys, the Asus ROG Phone II. I'm really excited about this one. It sets the bar higher yet again. It's got more power than last year with a new Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, and there's a bigger 6000 mAh battery. Plus the AMOLED screen is bigger and has gone from a 90Hz refresh rate to 120. You also get stereo speakers, and you've gotta love these glowing LEDs. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments, and we'll have a full review coming soon. But first, some personal testing. See ya!
Has anybody seen Will?